Hello Wolfpack! I'm Stephanie from Crownwolf Creations, and today I'm going to share my journey of trying to make an acrylic bowl using my xTool P2S and a toaster oven. Let's get to it! I started by using my xTool P2S to cut out a circle of acrylic to form around a bowl. I heated it up in a toaster oven with a silicone pad at 300 degrees. Once the acrylic was warmed up, I tried to form it around the bowl. It did not work. I tried again thinking maybe if I pressed harder, it would form better. Nope. After resetting the acrylic again, I tried shoving it into the bowl to form around the outside. After that not working either, I began to panic and try everything to just make it work. But still no good. This next time, I tried putting it in one bowl and putting a smaller bowl around it to keep the shape. The size of the bowls were not compatible and thus created creases in the acrylic, which is not what I wanted. However, I am persistent. I tried the same thing again, but tried to get the creases out right away before the acrylic cooled too much. After a lot of trying, it also failed. Then I had a genius idea. What if I put the bowl into the toaster oven and have the acrylic form to it? To my utter surprise and dismay, the acrylic actually started to flatten out again, even on top of the bowl. So, back to the grind. But this time I tried with square bowls because, who knows, maybe the shape of the bowl would change something. Obviously, it did not, but I kind of liked the shape it made, so I went with it. However, upon closer inspection, my oversized heat-resistant gloves left a ton of residue on the bowl, which no one wants. Now, I'm starting to think it's because there was too much acrylic, so I decided to create a design that would take out some of the acrylic in the middle to try and make it lighter. It worked! Kind of. While it was better, it still wasn't forming to the exact shape I wanted. Ignoring the marker on my arm from my child, I tried again with the bowl and bowl technique. Surprisingly, not bad. However, right before this point, I thought maybe it was the acrylic not warming up enough, so I turned the toaster oven up to 350 degrees. That was a mistake, because as you can see, the acrylic started to bubble and create this weird texture. After hours of trying, I needed a break. On to day 2. I got some clips and some gloves that actually fit me. With the new clips, I thought if I clipped the acrylic to the bowl, it would hold the acrylic in place so it would give me the shape I wanted. While it kind of worked, it still wasn't perfect. The acrylic cooled down quickly and the clips left indents in the acrylic bowl. One would think this would prevent me from trying the clips again. No. I just tried it on the circle bowl instead. Did I get a circle acrylic bowl? No. So I tried it in a bigger bowl again. I wanted to use the clips, but they were too short to reach the acrylic, so back to the method of trying to smash it into shape. Not bad, but I wanted a circle bowl, so I tried once more in the big circle bowl. It actually turned out okay. It's shallower than I was hoping for, but it's my most successful attempt so far. Then I thought, if removing some acrylic helped the shape, what if I removed more? Yeah, it didn't really help. Having the edges so thin of material made it really fragile, and yep, I broke it. Overall, this was not really a success. but I definitely learned something. I'd love to try this again if anyone has any tips on how to make this work. If you enjoyed this project, please let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me create next. And if you enjoy laser engraving, DIY projects, and creative experiments, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Wolfpack. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next creation. Alpha Steph, out.